Now we're gonna open up the big Hatchimal. It is a Walmart exclusive. I can't wait to see what we get. Who's excited?
Me!
Now let's see how we open this big guy. And these are the 2 colors that we can possibly get. I hope we get this one, since blue is my favorite color. Which one would you like, Vanessa?
I would like this one because it has little stars on its wings.
Which one would you guys like? Please leave a comment. So it looks like our Hatchimal comes with a handy dandy little tips and tricks. So it looks like we're gonna twist it down here. Wow. Wow. Wow, look, it's lighting up. Are those the eyes? I think so. It's sleeping. Oh, little baby. Wow. Turn the lights back on. Thanks, Vanessa.
You're welcome.
So it looks like it's turning green, which means it's sick. So let's rub its tummy. Let's give it a nice big rub on its little head. It's okay. Oh, you'll be okay. Oh no, it's scared. It's okay, little guy. Mommy's here. Let's keep rubbing it and see if it'll feel better. Oh, looks like the little baby's cold. It's okay, Mommy will warm you up. It's okay, little baby. So I'm going to keep rubbing it and see if it'll hatch. Oh no, it's cold. It's okay. Let's rub, 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 rub. Feel better? I wonder what that means. I'm just gonna keep rubbing it and rubbing it. Oh no, it's feeling sick. It's okay, I gotcha. means you can hear the heartbeat. How cute! My hands are getting a bit tired, so I'm gonna have my little helper Nessie help me.
I think it likes playing with me. Oh no, it's cold. I'm gonna rub it to keep it warm. Uh-oh, you're cold. It cracked. Woo! It's cracking more. Again. Oh no, it's getting cold. I'm gonna give it to its mommy to hatch now.
Good job to our little handy dandy helper Vanessa. She helped us make the baby peck out. Oh look! There's another one. There's the other crack. Wow. Come on, let's keep rubbing it. Come on, don't go to sleep, little guy. We want you to hatch. Oh no, please don't go to sleep, little guy. Wake up. Wow, there's another one. There's another one. It looks like I'm seeing a blue beak. Oh no, I can't find where it's pecking. Where's it going? Wow. These pecks are getting a lot bigger. Not too sure what that means, but I hope it means it's ready to hatch. So I'm gonna keep rubbing it. Come on. Where the heck is it pecking from? Oh. Come on. There goes another one. Wow, look at the blue beak. I think I might have an idea of which one we're getting. Oh no, it's okay, baby. Come on. You can do it. Come on. There's another one. Come on. Wow, look at that one. That one was so big. And there goes another one. Come on. You can do it, baby. Come on. Maybe it'll peck some more if I give it to Vanessa. Here, Ness.
Come on.
kind of follow and see where it's gonna peck next because of its eyes. Come on. Oh no, come on. We want you to peck. There goes another one. Come on. Wow, look at that one! Oh my goodness! It looks like the egg is finally breaking through. There goes another one. Oh wow, there goes another one. Wow! I'm getting more excited. Come on. Kind of gonna shake it around a little bit. Oh my goodness, there goes another one. Now I'm gonna give it over to Vanessa and see if it'll hatch some more.
Come on.
Oh no, what happened? Come on. Nope, no sleeping. Come on. Maybe if I spin it around a little bit. Time to wake it up. Come on. There it goes. I think that fidget spinner put it to sleep. Wow. I see a blue beak. I think I know which one it is. Oh my gosh! There it is! Let's take our little friend out. Come on. Wow, there it is! Hi, little buddy. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I'll go ahead and take some of this plastic off of its body. Being extra careful. Oh, it's singing!
It's singing the happy birthday song.
Happy birthday, little buddy. And go ahead and rub its tummy. Oh my goodness, it's walking on its own already. Oh, it's okay. Mommy's here.
It's okay, little guy.
What should we name him? Leave a comment down below. Looks like you can squeeze its tummy. Oh no, are you sick? So it looks like the wings are purple with some blue details and a purple little flower. And in the back it has its little shell. It's okay. Mommy and Nessie are here. Thank you so much for watching, everybody, and thank you to our guest, Vanessa, for being here with us and opening all these magical new friends.
You're welcome, guys. I had so much fun opening all the Hatchimal toys. My favorite one was this one. Please comment, like, and subscribe.
Thank you, everybody, for watching Sofies Toys. See you next time.